Good morning, friends, and we come back with a new session today. In today's session, we will be doing with the cake making process. Now, as you know, that the cake making session is a very important, you can say, chapter of your syllabus. Why? Because nowadays, every hook and corner you have find various cakes making shops and bakeries. Nowadays, even home bakers you find, and they're quite much interested in making of cake. So, cake making has become a very, very important, you can say, art and skill into the hospitality industry. Now, in this session today, we are going to do with cake making, like factors that are to be considered while you're making the cake, combination of ingredients, okay, forming of air cells and development of the texture. Then we are going to do method of cake makings. We are also understanding the scaling, panning, baking and cooling sub processes of making cake. And then at the last we are going to understand the faults and remedies that are found in the cake and what precautions to be used. So see that these faults are not been repeated. The objective of today's session would be the students will understand the different process of cake making, the different ingredients that are used in cake making processes, precautions taken while cake making, faults and remedies, balancing of cake formulas, specialty cakes, knowledge about chocolate and chocolate work. Now, under ingredients, cake making, there are basic ingredients that are utilized for making the cake. Now, for example, if you say the most important ingredient that is used for making the cake is refined flour, sugar, shortenings, milk, that is liquids, and eggs. These are the basic ingredients that are utilized for making the cake. There are other also optional ingredients which includes baking powder, flavoring, essence, fruits and nuts, cocoa powder, chocolate, cake improvers and sugar syrups. Now the second part which we have done is optional ingredients. They are utilized in the cake for giving the flavors and help to improvise their flavorings. And the first ingredient that we read is flour, sugar, shortening, milk, and eggs, which gives the texture, the structure of the cake, and the rising of the cake. Ingredients are also classified according to the functions which they perform in the cake. For example, flour gives a structure to the cake, sugar gives the texture, lightening, and also the color, and eggs gives a rising agent as well as shortening, and also gives the texture and leavening to the cake. So there are various types of ingredients which perform various types of you can say function in the cake making process. Now structure building. Structure building is basically, as you know, done by flour, eggs, milk and shortening. Now these three or you can say four of the ingredients are basically responsible for giving the structure to the eggs, and the eggs indirectly gives the whole structure to the cake. Flours again, when mixed with the eggs, they give form gluten, which again gives a structure to the egg. Milk and shortening are combination with ingredients which are used with flour and eggs to give the structure. Second is the tenderizing agents, which are used as an ingredients, which include fat, sugar, baking powder, and the egg yolks. You have another ingredient that is called as the dryers, okay, which are include flours, starches and dry milk powders. There are various types of flour which can be used as dry corn flour, okay, arrowroot or refined flour. Even the whole wheat flour can be used as dryers. Then we have the tougheners. Flour, dry milk powder and eggs are used as toughening agents. Then we have the flavoring agents, which includes essences, fruit pulps, okay, butter, eggs, and these are the flavoring agents which give flavor to the cake. Then we have the moistening agents. The basic moistening agent is milk and water, okay. Sometimes even liquor is used for making the moistening in the cakes. Eggs and syrups are the basic ingredients that are used as moistening. Now we come on to the classification of cake. Cake can be classified among pound cakes, okay, butter cake, sponge cake, angel cake, chinoise, and biscuit cake, and the last one is the chiffon cake. So these are the various classification of cakes, and the cakes are classified with the amount of refined flour, eggs, and egg white being used in the cake. For example, if it's a pound cake, the whole ingredients recipe is based on the pound. So you have each pound of ingredients been added to make a pound cake. So a basic recipe which utilizes pound recipe for all the ingredients that have been used. Then you have the butter layered cake which uses the butter as a shortening as well as the flavoring agent in the cake. Then the basic sponge cake is called as the sponge which utilizes the egg as a rising agent. Angel food cake is a very lighter version of the food cake that is utilized for the bakery department. The original Genoese sponge is a sponge which is used in the European countries, also called the basic sponge, and does not utilizes the baking powder for rising. Then we have the biscuits, which again utilize a large amount of heavy cream and the richening agent that I will put with the refined flour and cake. The cake is made with a very light texture. Then we move on to the chiffon cake, a very lighter version of the cake with the addition of more egg white, okay, in the form of light beaten egg white into the cake. We have next is the low or the no flour cakes, which actually has been used in the bakery. Now, low flour cake is the one which is utilized to make the cake of less amount of flour in utilized for baking the cake. The example is the fair plum cake, which is utilized for low refined flour, been used in more of the dry nuts and ingredients been used as flavoring. Then we have a variety of no cake flour, in which flour is not used in making of the cake. For example, the Oreo cake as well as a mud pie cake, which is utilized for making the cakes. You don't utilize the flour out here, but the biscuit base has been used and then can be made into cakes. Some of the cheesecakes are also coming under this variety of no flour cake. We move on to the cake making methods. Now, the cake making method can be divided into two main ingredients category, like shortening cakes. Okay, in shortening category, there are four methods of mixing: creaming method of sugar batter method, two-stage method of blending method, then the flour batter method and sugar batter method. So cake method can be divided into two main categories, that is shortening cake, which is subdivided into another four categories, that is creaming method, sugar batter method also called. Then the second one is the two-stage method or the blending method. The third one is the flour batter method and the sugar batter method. Then the second category of making cake is egg foam method, in which it is further divided into four subcategories, that is the egg foam method, sponge method, angel food method and the chiffon method. The three main goals of cake making are: first one, to combine the ingredient into a smooth uniform batter, okay, so that the form and incorporate air cell into the batter and to develop a proper texture to a finished product. Now we come on to the common cake faults and remedies that are found in cake. Now you say cake faults, you find crack in the middle of the cake, okay, or sunken cake. Now crack in the middle of the cake is due to the high oven temperature or due to the improper mixing of the cake. Then sunken cake is formed due to the temperature very low and high amount of shortening being used in the cake. Whereas the size of the cake getting burnt is due to the temperature of the oven. If the oven temperature is too high or the lining of the cake is done with more amount of shortening, then you find the burnt sides of the cake. The cake get, or you can say cake out of the pan coming is a bit difficulty. This is caused due to keeping the cake for long period of time for cooling. Then you have this type of problem. The cake turning out too dark. Why it is? Because of the addition of large amount of sugar into the cake or the oven temperature is very high. The cake getting burned on the top is The reason for oven temperature being too high and even the addition of the sugar, okay, bit more. Or you can say also having the brushing of the cake liners with the egg yolk, then you have a burnt on top. Cake getting a skinny and sticky texture due to the high amount of moisture present in the cake, which might turn the cake into skinny and sticky. And also not mixing of the ingredient in the proper ratio, and larger amount of sugar into the cake also results in the cake getting skinny and sticky. The crust becoming too thick is due to the addition of large amount of refined flour, okay, with the egg. First reason, and then also one more reason is due to the oven temperature being too cold. So cake kept in the oven for a longer period of time may also have a too thick crust. The cake shrinks is due to the improper mixing and the addition of liquid. The batter getting overflow or weeping out is due to a large amount of batter being put into the baking tins. Then poor flavor is improper mixing and not addition of flavorings to the cake, or poor mixing of the flavorings. Cake getting too tough. This is due to the improper mixing of the refined flour or addition of too much of moistening to the flour and keeping the flour batter for a longer period of time for the formation of the gluten. Cake getting too tender for cutting, that is due to cause of large amount of moisture to the cake. The top crust peeled and flakes off because addition of, you can say, large amount of moisture and the cake kept in the oven for a longer period of time. Then you have the lack of body or structure because improper mixing and addition of the ingredient at various ingredient gap of time. Cake staling quickly because addition of rich food ingredients into the cake as well as improper mixing. So, student, thank you so much for paying attention to the session. I understand this is a very important session that you'll have done today, cake making. If you do have any doubts into this session, please feel free to contact and write into the comment box. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself.